Welcome to our step-by-step guide on changing your car's oil. Today, we're going to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to perform this essential vehicle maintenance task on your own. First, preparation is key. Park your car on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for about 10 minutes. This step is crucial to avoid burns from hot oil. Next, we'll lift the car. Use a jack or ramps to elevate the vehicle safely, ensuring it's stable before you work underneath. Remember, safety first. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug beneath the engine, place a pan underneath, and carefully remove the plug. Allow the oil to completely drain out. With the old oil gone, it's time to replace the oil filter. Remove the old filter and lubricate the gasket of the new one before installing it securely. Now let's add new oil. Pour the appropriate amount of oil into the engine, ensuring it meets your car's specifications. This step is vital for maintaining optimal engine performance. Finally, let's talk about disposing of used oil. It's important to take your old oil and filters to a designated collection site to prevent environmental harm. By following these steps, you're not just saving money, you're gaining a deeper understanding of your vehicle. Remember, regular oil changes are essential for keeping your car running smoothly. Feel empowered to tackle this routine maintenance task yourself. With each oil change, you're taking control of your vehicle's health and performance. Thank you for joining us today. Happy driving!